Today I'm showing you guys how to mess with text, distort, make some cool, interesting looking things that you are sure no other person will be doing. And for whatever purpose, flyer, design, business card, whatever marketing material you need it for. Let's get it started. Alright, so we're here in Photoshop, and this function is basically quite easy. It's an easy trick. All we need to do is go to the text layer in our layers panel. So here we have text, and what we should do is we'll right click and go to convert to shape. So what this does is that it converts our text to shapes, vector shapes that we can easily adjust. So you can see when I clicked on the selection tool, it showed all these squares and points that we have with regular shapes and in Illustrator. So there are two tools to use with this. There's a path selection tool and direct selection tool. So the path selection tool selects paths, with all points, every single path, right? And every single point on the path, while direct selection tool selects the various points on each path. So how we can do this, or how we can distort our text, is by selecting shift to select multiple points, right? So I just did that, and yep, just keep pushing the points down till you have something you like. Here, just going to push this to the right, and for this one, I'm going to drag this way. Yep, so this is a very easy way to distort your text in Photoshop and create nice looking stuff. So there are more complicated things you can do with this, but then this is the basic idea. Yep. I hope that was insightful. I hope you can now bend, distort, shift, displace your text whichever way you need it to, for your projects. And then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It's important. Don't distort our figures. See you soon.